Alors, Bertrand Samimi, head of the project of CT Pro. Good morning to you, and
Good
thank you
morning,
for being
Francesco.
with the mobile side. So, CT Pro, um, an editing suite, a world, an ecosystem that allows you to develop journalistic content, first of all, but in general, mobile video content for professional production. But as we do with the other head of projects that we interviewed in the past, we ask for the beginning the same question. What is CT Pro exactly, and what's the philosophy behind this project?
Francesco, thank you for this time and thank you for this change review and with all your network and all the people looking this movie. City Pro, it's a project we have started and developed 4 years ago. And as you know, many applications exist on the store, on all store and working on all different phones. But when we look at one by one, all of them, we don't find what we search. We don't find what we need because we are at the start a TV station. We are producer and we have some journalists inside her TV. And we search to think and to look what exists in the market and how we can use mobile for produce movie before nobody speaking about journalism and before the terminology mobile journalism exists. 5 years ago, I see in Paris a picture and on the wall, and this picture say everybody's seen this picture. This picture says this picture is taken by using an iPhone. This day, I say and I see the world is changing. Never you can see a picture on the wall. You see the size of the picture on the wall when you're printing, and it's picture, it's take simply by using a phone. This day I say, okay, I need to see if app exists, if workflow exists, and I found nothing. Okay, many apps exist, Francesco. Many powerful apps exist. And from 5 years ago, many powerful apps continue to be developed each month. For example, I can say Filmic Pro. It's excellent application for shooting once you are and you want to do cinematographer. For example, for me, in my mind, Filmic Pro is more intended for cinematographer guys. Filmic Pro, you have some technical data inside. You can shoot in RAW, you can use log file, you can use different approach, but is not on Earth things is not built exclusively for journalists. LumaFusion or KineMaster or Adobe Rush, all of them exist and all of them is a powerful editing solution, really powerful, with plenty of effect, plenty of features. But if you are a journalist and you make the same work of me, I, I am the holder of TV station in France. We shoot, we edit, we produce, we make live every day, not one time per week or sometimes every day. And we need to find a solution for journalists, for help journalists. You know, Francesco, I like say we don't have built an app, we don't have built an ecosystem. We have built a tools for who want work and who must done a specific task. Sorry for my English. I am French, and my English, I try to have the best English I can.
No, you were
Also,
you were clear. You were clear, absolutely clear, because CT Pro is the tool for um, um, developing and empowering the work of a journalist inside a broadcasting company or a media company from start to end, from
Exactly.
video news to a live, from a story with non-linear editing to a live with graphics, overlays, and the signal that is powered by the software of CT Pro in a continuous way and can allow the central station TV station to receive a good signal, a stable signal, and this is to say, CT Pro is the solution for everything you need if you are this kind of professional.
Exactly.
Did I say right?
Exactly, Francesco. The big difference is the first thing you search when you are a journalist, you need something using the correct workflow, the global workflow. If you look Mavis, if you look the iPhone camera, if you look Filmic Pro, if you look all existing camera today into the store, into all store, all of them is most powerful, is really powerful, really incredible. And bravo to all the development team, really bravo. Our difference is into the same app, into the same workflow, without going outside for your app, you have everything you need. You start your project, you shoot your text, stay into your project. You never need to go outside to change from one application to another application, and you can done your global work. We are not an editing system. We are not a shooting system. We are a global system. You shoot, you quickly jump to edit. When you go to edit, our difference, our app is really more simple if you compare CT Pro editing features and LumaFusion editing feature, KineMaster editing, or Adobe Rush editing. We are absolutely different. We have one command basis. We make editing, but we don't have some feature existing on all or different, because on professional, you don't need, you don't make, for example, uh, um, keying by using an app. No.
Yeah,
If you
yeah.
want make a keying, if you are a broadcaster, if you are a pro user, first, journalists don't have time to make keying. First, journalists want told the story, and he are a mobile journalist. In fact, in real, on my mind, but it's only what I say me, okay? All the other applications existing to the market and say, we are Mojo. No, I say, no, you are not Mojo. You are an editing app. You are a general editing app because you think and you work on one way. This way is building keying, building augmented reality, adding flower, adding transition, and powerful features for going to the network, for going to the mobile. We say, no, we must build a real tools, and into your tools, a journalist need a real specific workflow. Journalists have a specific workflow for editing, and a TV station or community management or a press group need also her branding, and how you can import your personal titling corresponding exactly to your branding in CT Pro, you can do it. Okay, it's inside the workflow. Our difference is here. Our difference is we have the global system. Francesco, once we have built this app, also we have seen what kind, we have built this app and we say we need the real shooting features. And we have built all the features needed by journalists and have it in your actual camera, Zebra, waveform, vector scope. These three features, it's a real tools for define your exposure, your color balance, and define your last aspect of your movie when you're shooting. For example, okay, if you want to bring a real journalist and say, okay, don't use your normal camera and jump to mobile shooting. These guys say, okay, I do this task if I find the same tools I have already on my big camera. The second possibility, the second advantage or difference is you need, when you want to shoot, you need to put in around your phone different accessories. You know it, and you show us different accessories every month. You find and you make a video demo, etc. We don't find the correct tools. We have find everywhere the correct tools. What is the correct tools? Correct tools, it's a tools permit to put into your phone, into your under a light. Correct tools must permit to use your own microphone receiver, because into your TV station you have your already accessory existing. How you can input this microphone into your phone? We have had this interface audio in Lightning. This is a Lightning interface audio. We have worked with Saramonic and inject into this Lightning interface the audio comeback journalist want heard, not the incoming audio. He want heard the audio comeback, the audio you have rec. This is what journalists want heard. And the number 3 is the power. You know, like me, the new phone, iPhone 11, and the future phone have a better battery, okay? But is never enough. When you go for one full day to shooting, you don't have enough battery. If you make a live, Francesco, and you won't use a live, we speak about live. Big issue because your battery is dead after 1 hour and your phone cannot continue to working. We have built these tools. Into each handler, you have a battery, a big battery inside on each side, and you have these 2 battery, one left, one right, and we have implement in the center a QI, a wireless charger. You have your wireless charger here. You just put your phone into this grip. You put your phone here into this grip, and your phone is charged by using wireless. Also, okay, if you have an iPhone 6, iPhone 7, don't have wireless features, but if you have iPhone 8 and later, all of them have wireless. You put your phone, and your phone is charging by wireless. You just plug your lightning cable, because your lightning is now available. You put it here, and you have a complete tools, complete, without many cable on every side, without many different, and the looks is pro. You know, you don't shoot with a phone with some accessory you have put, build, etc. to make like a pro. No, pro need specific tools, and this is our second tools we have built for pro user. Our point of view is not building an app and every month creating incredible transition features, keying features, etc., etc. For Adobe say, we work on the cloud. Perfect. Adobe, perfect. Because Adobe have all the ecosystem with Adobe Premiere infrastructure for doing this. But you, Francesco, did you have 5G today? Did you have enough 4G all time? No. Definitely no. Perhaps one day Adobe see exact. I am agree. Perhaps Adobe workflow is perfect in USA on some specific country. Today, we say, no, no, we cannot work on the cloud. We cannot work on this way. Journalists cannot work on this way. We work on the cloud. We work with Dropbox. We work to import, to export, to exchange. Francesco, we are the first app over the world from 2 years now. We export fully through Final Cut. We export fully to Adobe Premiere. Who do it today? Why we
and
work
to
on
Switcher
this?
Pro also.
And to Switcher Pro. Why we do it on this way? Why? Because Pro say to us, Pro TV say to us,
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
we have into our TV station Editman. Make a Mojo is not saying, okay, you Editman go out and your work is finished. No, 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 no. It's saying the journalist can prepare and can build in French, the name is ours, the structure of your editing. And once he come back, he export and you make your work with all your knowledge. Remember something and not something about all of this. We are first, we are a TV station with users all days, okay? With journalists all day. We are not first a developer station, okay? We are not first a development company. You know, sometimes developer, many times, developer don't know really what is really neat and what is extra features. Developer thinks features, capability, how we can write, how we can impress user. Me, I don't want impress user. I just need to create the correct tools for the correct usage, using in TV and using in media and using for everybody wants make new way of writing. Because when you reduce the size of your phone, the size, not of your phone, sorry, the size of your system, of your camera, and you become mobile. What is I become mobile? I am mobile before with my big camera. I am mobile because I can edit directly. I can send directly with the same quality is need in your TV, in your old way to editing. When you think around this, you must also think how you can change the way you produce, the way you told this story. With the big camera, the story is different with the little camera. With the little camera, you can become a common user and you can catch a different picture. You follow me? With the big camera, everybody has impressed. When I have my big camera, my productivity is reduced. This camera have 7 kilo. This has only 1 kilo. This camera has impressed everybody, okay? But my phone don't impress everybody. Also, I can tell different story. Mojo is not just become mobile and make journalists become mobile. Mojo is a different way of tell the story, of build the story, and you must become more productive. You must become more powerful, more flexible, and told this story different way. This is the fundament of City Pro. And at the end, you know, Francesco, different branding of car exist. Peugeot, Citroën, Fiat, Chrysler, all is good. All is good. Some of them, okay, sell only by design. You buy a car today for the design because you are a general public. You say, I like this car because the looks seems good or the interiors seems good. No, we don't work on this way because we sell the cars because you are a pro. You need a truck, not a car, because all day you have some product to put in your car. Also, you don't look the look, you look the tools.
Yes,
We
the efficiency, the productivity, the answers that for the questions that I have all day. No, the answers for the questions that I have all day.
exactly. And what is this answer? For us, we have built these tools. Today, we have many users all over the world. All of them is pro user. And, and this is the reason we continue to stay at our own market. Our market is how we can build a tools, how we can make our tools better and better for pro user. If general
Bertrand,
user wants use, he can. He can buy, he
yeah,
can test, is
yeah,
available on that store, and he can
yeah.
say, okay, I can understand and I can use it. But our first target is the pro user.
Bertrand, my real thanks because you gave us a speech, a lectio magistralis about not only the tool that you are developing, but about what Mojo really is. That is not something technical, is not something uh, impressive, is not something that
Exactly.
you have to use for impress people, but is something
No,
that you have to use to tell the stories different way and to use a lighter gear, to have a tool that gives you solution to your problems, to have a tool that gives you the chance to do a step ahead in a modern way to do journalism. Thank you for everything. But
thank you.
you asked me if I wanted to edit it, but I don't want because you gave us a demonstration about what CT Pro is. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Francesco. Bye bye.